You'll want to start off by coming up here and removing these two 13mm nuts. You can usually get in there with a wrench, ratcheting preferably. Then down here you have another couple nuts you'll want to remove. Disconnect this connector and remove the 10mm bolt. You'll need this 36mm fan clutch. Wrench on an air hammer is the easiest if you have that available. Then you'll just go ahead and spin that off counterclockwise. Bring up the shroud and the fan together. You always want to compare the old part to the new one. Make sure the connectors are the same. Then you'll put the fan on the fan clutch and start spinning on the bolts by hand. Have one, you can take your impact gun and just run them in slow, not tightening them down all the way. And once you have them all down, then you can go through and tighten each bolt.
Shut up and sit down.
So just how the fan and the shroud came up together, you want to slide the fan in, being very careful not to puncture the radiator, and then bring the fan and the shroud down together. You are going to struggle. I did cut out some of the video. It would have been too long. But just be careful, bring the shroud down. Mine was stuck down here, so I just came down and pulled it over these studs, but you'll get it. And then once you have it in there, just start trying to patiently screw the fan on. I ended up having to use the wrench to get it started.
Shut up and sit down.
Then you'll just take your air hammer attachment back on there, put it back on the fan clutch nut, and tighten it down. And that's it. Just double check everything, go under the truck, make sure everything's good, and you're done.